place. Piece of shit. Jevo hunk of fucking hot garbage. Awful, stupid piece of fucking rust bucket. Hunk of junk. Piece of crap. Watch your step, more like fucking eat shit and die. Watch my fingers. Yeah, I fucking watch it as I shove my own fucking fingers in my fucking ass. Stupid motherfucking locomotive. Piece of shit. Fucking railroad. Stupid Norfolk. Hunk of fucking garbage. Fucking real stupid fucking operation. Nobody knows what the fuck they're doing. Piece of shit. Trash 9. Fucking fail. Piece of junk. Fucking fucking go loyal yourself into the fucking grave. Piece of junk. Fucking stupid fucking operation we got going on here. What a fucking mess.
I am nobody's master. Got it? I don't want you here, and I don't want you here. I'm stuck with you.
Santa Fe all the way. Well, the big old freight just left the yards, burning up the rails. A headlight gleams and the whistle screams, the lonesome Santa wail. Hot loads rolling for the coast, we'll be there in 3 days on the Santa Fe all the way. Ride that Santa Fe all the way, ship and travel all the way. Santa Fe all the way from the Windy City to L.A. Ride that Santa Fe all the way, ship and travel all the way. Santa Fe all the way from the Windy City to L.A.
Trick. Good. Abracadabra.
Here we like Miners DNI, and this is their cover for. Is that the old Amtrak logo?
Oh my God, bro.
I'm just get your ass on.
Today's subject, the Milwaukee Road.
Permission over the radio to enter each zone.
What kind of fucking McDonald's has a message?